undoubtedly you guys probably know how to sync your footage one way or the other, but I want to make a quick video to help out those who don't. Almost weekly, closer to every couple days, I get a message on either YouTube or my Facebook or my email, and it's somebody asking, how do you sync your footage? And that's probably stemming from the video that I made with the G7X and the external recorder that you put on top. The trick to that is that you take the good audio and the video that you recorded and you put them together. You sync them in post-production. You sync them in your editing software. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. What we're going to do is I'm going to jump over and I'm going to show you how fast this actually is. So inside of Premiere, I have a clip from my podcast that I want to sync up with the audio version of the podcast that I edited and made sound really nice and everything like that. You guys can hear the difference here. Stay alive and just to be able to afford the gas to continue going to work is, dude, that whole mindset. So here's what the actual podcast sounds like.
For hours, and nobody was like, that's rotting your brains.
Right, yeah.
But like now, my kids don't come on calls.
So this is not synced up already. This clip belongs way out here somewhere, and we don't know where. But Premiere will help you find it easily by highlighting both clips, right-click, go to synchronize. A little menu is going to pop up, okay? You can go by clip start, clip end, which isn't going to work for us. Go by audio. Hit OK. And it's going to do its thing for, a few seconds. So it looks like your clip disappeared, but it didn't. Let's just shrink the timeline down a little bit. And way out here at like 19 minutes, there's our clip. That's where it came from. So let's go ahead and we'll go to the head of the clip. We're going to take our razor blade tool, trim, cut, and here's our synced clip. Paycheck shit just to stay alive and just to be able to afford the gas to continue going to work is, dude, that whole mindset I think is fucking on its way out. All right, so there you go. I really hope that this helps you guys figure out how to sync audio and video easily. If you guys enjoy these short videos, these short tips right here, let me know down in the comments. Get down there and tell me, yes, I appreciate this. No, it's stupid. Whatever. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of content you guys like the most. And for me and my schedule, the short content is doable. I like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And it helps this video do better, and it'll help the channel do better.